So I'm here today in the Neon Cave to bring you an update on my Neon Fan Company Delray ceiling fan. Mainly to show off this new accessory that the Neon Fan Company has just recently introduced for the fan, and it is a J-hook mounting kit. I'll let you get a quick look at the fan real quick. I think I like this canopy better than the stock ball socket canopy personally. But there are a few limitations. First, I just want to show you how it mounts. It mounts just like a Moss or an A&G that uses this inverted double claw type hanging bracket. In fact, this is pretty much an exact copy of the brackets that Moss and A&G and others used to include in their fans. The only real difference that I can spot is that this one looks to be a little bit thicker gauge. And they do sell these brackets a la carte. So say you have a Moss fan that is missing the hanging bracket, you can just go on neonfans.com and buy one of these for, I think it's $20 as of this taping. The canopy's super nice. It is a nice heavy gauge, stamped, I think, aluminum. But there are some limitations to it. One is that you cannot reuse the down rods for ball socket mounting because the canopy requires a slightly thinner down rod. The second is that the shortest down rod you can get for J-hook mounting is, I think, 8 or 10 inches. So it's not low ceiling compatible. Like, I have it on a 7.5 foot ceiling just to show it off. This is obviously not a permanent install. The third, there's no space for a canopy type remote receiver. So you would have to control the fan either from the pull chain or from a wall control. And the fourth is that it is not vaulted ceiling compatible unless you use like a sloped ceiling piece that you can get through EnviroFan. But anyway, that's it. The Neon Fan Company Delray, now with J-hook hanging.